Guys, it is now confirmed that Italian is a Batman. The gentleman was not lying. So listen to the recording very well and listen to the voice.
I am the delegate and the advocate to Batimanism. And nobody not on a file for me. And these are man talking. They publicly say them no for suck dick. And every day when I come for me. Why this man has them suck dick and nobody no go feel? I mean I say.
We did not hear that recording.
We not force me hear that.
Send it to us.
Ross Claude.
We did not. This is why we want to.
I told me that bring.
Yes, play it back so I can record it. Play it back again. 1 second. This is news to us.
So bring why you mix me up?
This is the headline. Hold on, Nurse Brown. I think Nurse Brown have something to say.
This fresh article, you should have get at least 1,000 before that.
We should have get at least 1,000. That's what I tell us every time you come fire, you bring the things them. We should have get at least $1,000 already for this.
It's Blinger. I saw that recording this morning. I was scrolling through and I saw it.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What you say?
I saw it this morning. The same him and somebody argue on the live, and him see exactly where the recording say. I saw the video. Sometimes for you page, if you scroll, it came up.
Mighty God. And this man is credible as well, RT. This is a credible individual right here.
Doctor, nurse, alright. Then, but listen, I don't have any problem with him sucking dick and living films cranky by life. My problem is that everybody is saying that he is a bisexual, and when I do own it now?
Jesus Christ. Then not dead it and dead, I know him have to go come off for the app, you know.
I know him have to go come off, and woman have to come off because she's here.
Well, she never did that. She listen, as she crosses up Italian life, as she brings
can you send it to me?
Shut up.
I sent you this voice message from 8 o'clock this morning, darling. Check your email.
Oh, email.
No, WhatsApp. Man, try to make it look good.
It's not there.
Of course I sent you this morning.
Go look again. I don't
like it there.
No,
oh, you never know that it.
Guys, breaking
Not
news.
alleged again.
Please to record
Confirm,
this.
you know.
Everybody, please to record this. And
Morning,
then
Nurse Brown.
my boss is going to play it after I said it. Guys, it is now confirmed that Italian is a Batman. The gentleman was not lying. So listen to the recording very well and listen to the voice. It is now confirmed. Play, bossy.
Yeah, I can't take mouth to teach you how to suck cocky. Remember you demonstrate to me how to suck cock.
How many blood clot this? How many blood clot this?
To teach you how to suck cocky. Remember you demonstrate to me how to suck cock. Stop. The thing is suck cocky more. Zuma, you suck cocky. Zuma, you suck cocky. Zuma, you suck cocky.
Bro, stop.
You not tell me no involve nobody. See my involve my woman.
Bro, calm down. Because we are playing the game and you can't take mouth in. You first call the dog name, bro.
Bro. You know the thing about it is, that's it.
Okay.
No. I want to say this with no apology. Italian, if you're listening. As a spiritual man, I can tell you what you never know. You take up crosses. You take up a #1 world-renowned Jamaican popular skirmish. You take up that the man in the gully have to go back in the gully because he never want her. Because you are very young to understand that the man come from the gully and have to go back in the gully to no want her. You need to understand you need God, you need a cleansing. You get a crisis. Real talk, bro. You take up judgment. She's like a pretty casket. And when you open it, I'll be a dead body stink. But people do make mistake, bro. Whether you're Batman, gay, have HIV, or whatever you have, you did go on good before you fuck the trash. Knowing that from your fuck Shauna, everything for your turn. Me I tell you, bro, you fuck glasses. Me I warn you. That's true. But you never know, him young.
The way how we beat the girl left, right, and center for the whole week. I wonder how we have all the video with share soccer man good. If me did a man ask my woman, even do her pass, me I feel away. You want him can't feel no way right now because guess what? He not have nowhere to go.
But Blink.
Taking dirty mama out of the boardhouse now.
Blink.
Natalie out of the boardhouse now. You
have different type of whore. Because you have some girl with fucky and I don't want them feel away and feel like we are diss them. Because you have some girl proud of them fucky. Big up the fucker girl them. But this is a different type of fucker girl. This is a girl where you have fuck anything where have dick. No matter if it big or small. So it's a difference, okay? So I don't want the fucker girl feel like we are insult them. This is a different type of fucker girl. Okay? We just want putting out a fucker girl referendum. Because I don't want nobody pray with.
You want to tell you why I'm not sorry for him? Me used to play the boy a game. Make the boy come and come diss me and we laugh. But when me say pussy never real, you forget it. Worse.
Him used to there all the while.
When I tell him he used to play the boy a game, make him come. When the boy not have no followers, him come and him beg me. Bling on, want some fire. You him say over here for build people page. Drunk crow. How you feel for you suck the pussy there? When you bend down, every time you bend down for you suck the pussy there, you're supposed to feel like shit. But no. Guess why you can't feel like shit? Him not have nowhere to go RT. Him dead, him done for him not have dry shit in him body.
Let me say something to you. Shauna only fought Batman. And when she was off for me, I said to her that I'm not a Batman. Let me tell you about Shauna. Shauna is the type of girl, if you are a Batman, you will please with her. Because she will fuck you in your bottom, and she will fuck you as well. Shauna don't have no limit. Shauna fuck man, fuck woman. So the bottom line is, if Shauna there with a batty boy, he will have him fall in love with her because she will fuck her in her bottom. So let me repeat it. So because Candy come out and talk, oh, reach a Candy boy, you mix up the
reach a Candy, reach there.
Because Candy come out and talk, I don't believe that Candy is lying. I'm not here to bring down Chin. I'm here to talk the truth, just as though people feel like they want to talk things about me. But the truth is to concern that Chin is awful. Chin fuck anything. So I am just saying, I strongly believe that Chin a fuck Italian.
Me too. I believe that too. Because you know why? This man have no voice. And member good.
With a hard dick too. Dildo too. Plastic one. Rubber.
Exactly.
Big black one.
But,
Miss Blingan.
yes?
The screen recorded with the drunk rap put out your weight name there. Your phone number and something of them.
Latina, me a bad girl in a real life. I'm panning it. Please.
Listen up. I want you to send the screen record to me, Miss Blingan. When you send the screen record to me.
No screen record at that time. I tell people don't send me anything. Destiny can't put out anything. A 3 address I have Latina. And my phone number upon Google.
So them a tell like by your Lati.
It not really matter to me.
She run down a police station with me name, but I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Because she put out my information. I'ma put out back for her. She forgot suck out her mama can pay for her.
And look how me see she aunt you last night as you hang up, she call you. Last night as you hang up, she call you.
She called my phone last night.
You see,
50
as you hang up, she call you.
If I'm like you,
so if you have that, make sure you have that evidence.
Let me not see if they have all of them in my phone.
That's harassment.
Me.
Yeah, she has stalked you.
You have a video when she come on me yard.
Make sure you have all of them. She don't have no evidence by you. She too much now. She torment.
Yeah.
It torment.
Crash breathe.
She
Latina. RT, you know do killing work.
Latina
RT.
No pitbull, no pitbull.
No, Latina. No put that try your shoulder.
Me don't go to drastic measure to get to that sheep.
Tina, you just have to know you have to girl. With that you have to go and show.
So tell me something. Are you in Switzerland?
Yeah.
Anyway, you see her, just hold her.
No, if me lick her, she go get money off of me. That's the thing. I mean, I want to give her
That she
nothing.
a look and
Also,
no, money
go.
And money she a
money
look
it a
cause she
look.
broke her hungry now. So she a
Rollins,
look
thank
money.
you.
Damn out. Your
Alright,
pussy
yeah,
sell
so
out.
stand up. I'm gonna say,
You
girl, you
walk
know,
from
real
Florida to Georgia and I
Archie,
buy
check your
ring and
phone.
green card.
me see ya
Pussy
bring
wall.
down
You
bling up
get
in a comment section, girl,
is
of
a
the share
trader
your
because I
fake
share
blood
China
clot
chin,
phobia woman.
moderator
Stop
and
growing
come over
and
here
read the
for
people
and
with your fake phobia. You know, real like that,
dip
me
video
say.
when she ready. Hey
You're
girl,
9 digit when I
you
no number.
dirty
Me the business how long you the
deep
America. Me
pussy.
run cross the blood clot,
You
but I'm
suck
my
your
9
mama.
digit have more
You
value
can't do
than
nothing to
blood
me. Me not
clot.
afraid of you.
Hey, girl, lift
Me
up
not
with your
afraid of
9
you.
digit
Archie,
when
check
Me
I
your
not
see
afraid of
phone.
you.
your
Me not
9
afraid of
digit now
you.
have
Me not
no
afraid of
value.
you. And you not
Crackhead.
have no profile
Cokehead
about me.
Bella.
You don't know
Fake
nothing
phobia
about
woman
me.
Bella.
You don't know
Your
nothing
9
about me.
digit has
Anything you say is a
0.
liar.
Your
Because
9
that's
digit
all
now
you do.
have
I walk all
no
lie
value in
and
America.
build
Girl, stop tell me
profile
about your
when I go
blood
so
clot
sky. You don't know
social when
nothing
I
about
no
me. Go
sense.
suck your dirty
Your
dibby dibby
social no
mama.
make no
Bitch.
sense, crackhead.
Bitch.
Pick a side, you
Murderer.
fake no blood clot. You over
Murderer.
here or you over
The
there.
people
And
them
that
where you
must
murder.
say.
And that you figure look pan.
Bella, you over
Murderer.
here or you
The
over
mark I
there. That
line.
must say.
Durant
Murderer.
Bring me
clock,
get
come
some
here, Calvin.
value
Murderer.
out.
I think me can't
Every
answer you now.
big diamond from my finger
You
and mad
know
out
say
your
this
Brick.
the
mouth.
right
Fake
time to come
phobia
for the
blood
live.
clap.
When
Me
me
ring
can't
and
answer
mad
you.
you out,
Bling
girl.
me
Go
come here
away,
for
you
a
know
live.
real over ya.
Because
That must
guess what?
say. Me ring and mad you out. Me want green cat.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So much
RT
people
is
I
on
walk
the
up, yeah?
floor.
Me can't answer
Can
you now. Me can't answer you. Me can't.
Wait, for no
Remember,
wait.
I be 20 and me
No
feed you
wait.
nasty, girl. Me not
back to
Guys,
you two people who are
yes.
now.
Yes.
What the woman mean by social no make no sense? What she know about blood class Nolan? What she know about social? Eh? What she know about blood class social?
Fuck out, woman. Nasty woman with that blood clot Jamaica. We can't take you out say with the blood clot next. Leave the woman alone. Give the girl them a chance. Stop robbing the bitch. Rules don't talk about America. Stop away. Why?
Social no
There's
sense.
some
Come
real
on,
blood
buddy.
clot. Voodoo mama them. Me don't know what them still about. Girl, you like a candle? You want me to send some candle for your fuck out? Diamond ring no come big. I fake with them for your hand.
How them people I love Obia son and I call me Obia. No see how you go?
A blood clot.
You can imagine come them want take it from you.
Yeah,
Me
man,
dear,
girl, come out
I
and
rebuke you
man.
all. Shut up.
No. Yeah.
Social no make no
Come here, apologize. No man, she out there. Stop like a fool for yourself
Oh,
online.
don't do that.
Mr. Bella
Yeah.
social not have no use in America. I can't do blood
Attitude,
clot. No.
too with her
That
mouth.
must say, mix up and blend up, come and me poop in your
Go
blood clot.
away.
To
Move
follow
out,
you
Mr.
guys.
Bella.
Move
Social.
out to work like a
Move
snake.
up, Mr. Bella
Move out
social
to
not
work
have
like a
no
little
value in
snake.
America. That must
All right.
say.
You see,
That
Wicked
must
girl.
Move
say.
out to work
I
like
will
a
tell
little
you come
snake.
move up. You know me always over here
Yeah.
mute like me can't talk. Mix up and blend up, come and me poop in your mouth.
Wicked
I
girl. May
want
I
to
ask
shoot
you a
you with some
question? Wicked
shit.
girl.
Yeah.
All right, everybody mute. What the problem? Oh, them two man there in a bed in a house. Me not like that style labeling. Change
you
up
know
something there,
what
no?
one there, so.
No, me not like that style. Two man there in a bed that look on camera. Me not like that. What you
Correct.
say your problem?
You know, me not have no problem. You see that girl when named Bella, she not real to blinger. Me see her all about the place, I bring down blinger. And me have blinger back. And me see her up here like she with blinger and I war a guan. So me I tell her no say she not fit in the box.
Okay. But you said you do reading too.
Oh yes, she said she read RT. Let me tell you a little bit about Bella now. Enough people know Bella. Alright, you know Candy dash Bella in the garbage bin and my bestie take up Bella. I have Bella on him platform. You know me have my bestie back like how me have bring her back. So me stay so now. And you know she said she want to join the team and me give her a logo. Boops. Shoot out go on. My bestie bring it down. Me stay so now me used to feed Bella Nastri. We can share receipt. Me a girl give Bella only for $10 and $20 for buy her coke. I mean, I said, no, Sky, you can't do that. You can't use your money to feed coke, buy coke, give girl, you're wrong. You can't do that. So me just cut it off. So me sell followers now on the app. Bella link me one day now, she get banana. You use a word, the banana. So she link me and tell me, say, our page get banana and she wants some followers. So I say, all right, mama, I sell 1,000 followers for $100. But you me know you're a crackhead, and me know you know the thing go. Me never say crackhead, but me say, me know you're a thing go. Me know you can't afford the $100. Just give me $20. And me give some followers. We're say they on the team. Give her the followers see $20 now. You know say me woman, me they do an American woman. You know say Bella go to the woman and to the woman engage to me and I tell the woman say a green card me I look. And the woman money me offer. So me just fling her out on my blood clot team and avoid her. Everybody a cuss me. Bella in a them box I bring me down a call me name. And me say Wara Guan and me say Bella say me over here and Bella no dey pa we side. Me no never try see me in your box blinger in just hate you. Because me ever in the box. And me say me see Bella bring you down in a comment. I will know all I know the all about the place and see Bella. Like me I tell you no say Bella the all about the place.
Tell me. Me glad you, that's why me ever cussing a wicked diamond and say the people them who there with me no say not them me a talk. That's why I don't understand when me get up and just a cuss out everybody blood clots.
So the Bella we start talking.
So you know say by right and of course me come for cuss Bella. Me come for give the money going for take down Bella. Remember so over your run, smarty in the box, you know want them in the box. You send a money, you take them down. So me come to make my money talk for me. Me come to send the money. Very going to send the money gun because that me come board.
Hold on a wicked girl. Not Queen Bella. Repeat for those who in the comments.
Me see the money gun, but see the beard.
Queen Bella.
Not Queen Bella. That me come board.
Thank you. Bella. Well, me glad for that information. They are so enough to say. Cause remember, me say no can de everywhere. Cause everybody have them little entertainment. No can de everywhere. But it don't make no sense on the day or so with me and then gone somewhere else and style me. You know that not cute.
No people not queen. You know queen are one blinger. Not the fake Bella we are talking about. Fake Obia Bella.
The next one we say she a Obia woman. She inbox me about say she see something. She's spiritually. Me say, girl, me no want you for see nothing for me, because them done say me a Obia woman already. So me see everything for myself. Me no want you for see nothing for me.
I'm Black Diamond, thank you for this,
And I come tell me, and then she say, me woman a moderator over that girl life.
Yes,
true, granted, but that don't have nothing to do with me. Over yes for me there.
Exactly. You can't even go over there, Wicked Diamond. Go anyone you want to go.
Send gift, guys.
I have no problem with it.
Send gift, sign up for the Lion program.
Me sit down and me say to myself, say, oh, you for be a Obia woman and you take coke. The ancestor them not go work with you. You're not real.
Jesus. Here they.
You can't read me. Worse, me no say you take drugs. You can't read me.
Bella, sister, money making thing on a trick, no?
She can't trick me, because I'm an idiot.
They need to tie up my head right now and start, because me have a gift and I use it.
Me have my one and me not use it on TikTok. Because the people them don't say me I work Obia already. And I say, me not do it because I want them pin this for me, my love.
RT.
Yes, madam.
I'm going to.
Thank you for the gift, guys.
You can give me one of the head wrap and couple of the pencil them. I want to start come live so.
No problem.
Come here, go talk go live for true because they give me something, me not gonna use it.
Come.
Yes?
So you can read people?
No, me just can't lie. Let me tell you how my gift is. Whatever my vision, it come to pass. And like, if me are catching I speak in a tongues and me get deep down and I talk, then no things will just come up in my spirit. Me can't see things, me can't tell you exactly. So, let me give you one now. Me did go Jamaica the other day and me then in my yard and me go to my brother's shop and me start catching a spirit. Me just start find myself speaking in tongues.
Ask the mighty man for more. Ask the mighty man and raise up your hand. I want your girl that to catch for the things them. What is wrong with you? Lord in the Jamaica too long.
Anyway, RT.
Remember we are Africa. Remember we are come from one
so we just can't see things that we can't tell where to come from and them look weird there.
Sweet Barbie.
I don't know that does.
Sweet Barbie.
Yeah.
You a prostitute?
Me a prostitute?
Yes, I ask a question.
No.
We are everything.
You is a porn star?
One time.
You no prostitute, see me? But anyway, me just drop in for tell you, say selling pussy better for you. When you're not selling, nothing not going for you. So that's how you make your money. Selling is good for you. Porn star fit you.
That the life there enough for me.
Latina,
Nah, no money.
send your file over here to me to try the case. But what they don't know, they did not know that I own a whole LGBTQ community and I already know you and know what you do. So that's why I don't try your case. So them have it a post all about the place. So that's why everybody else say.
Them lucky if them want post it. More promotion for me. More promotion for me. I know me are the only girl ready on Twitter. Whole heap of them tip on Twitter. Whole heap. But I show me the dog and drunk criminal and stay about names.
Little girl. Tell them say girls gotta do what them gotta do because the bills gotta pay. I remember
How you sound so when house a tumble down? Why you sound so heavy?
Yes. Galang dirty man, can you weak like what?
Me are the dog and drunk so me make them know. Me
don't
don't
know where
expose
you
it
even
already
look at me,
before them I
even look
expose it.
fire, me don't even know where you
Blinger,
look
if you
like in
remember from
real
over
life.
Instagram days, Blinger, I never me put out my Twitter. I never me post it for my story. I make the people know some
That's
have
what I'm
Twitter.
saying.
So all people fear put out video with me and me feel some type of way about that. Me no feel no way.
Bing, is who Mrs. Baby Germs attack? Okay, blue uniform, mix up germs,
Mix up
baby.
blender, you have something to say?
Yeah.
Tell us.
No, RT boss, a good man. Good man. When I have a woman where says social is not important to us, so that's what we come on here to address.
Well, I am
You
a good woman and
understand
I'm
me,
a good
uncle?
man. Okay, good.
No, RT boss, you're a good body boy. I am saying
Okay.
RT boss, we just come on here because you know that the whole of we like mix up. So we
Me
have to
like
come
when
at the
me like how they call out your name. I see RT when
No,
they
me did want know if me did put on my shark suit, so me did want know.
Milo, pick up yourself. You know me like you when the girl them call out your name when them see you.
RT boss, pick up yourself. Watch
Pick
your
up yourself.
life. Watch it regular.
RT boss a good boy, but I know where for come. If we see no we don't like it, Miss Blinger, we come address it because that's how it go.
So who know the
Yeah.
addressee team?
Eh?
So who know the addressee team?
Yeah, we will come over here, come address it. It's not the first you adding us on the live. I will come out. Yeah, so it go. So
So
we
what?
want to come out strong.
So
Yeah,
what uno do? So wait there. So what uno do? Phone a thing if you walk and address anything when I go so.
Yeah.
So what I address over here today?
The girl, I will address her, I will move on with life. Yeah. We address her already. When she said the social is not important.
No, that must say. No, mix up. Listen, me know your name a mix up, so you go mix up when me say me never said that. You have social we have value and social we not have no value. You have social we can't do shit.
No,
Me say Bella social cannot do shit. Bella social not have no value. That me say. You have to listen. You have social we a monkey when it make no sense. That's
You have some people who are use people things. Yes, and it no value when I check it out. It's not for them name in it.
Like
I don't know that me I talk about either. Anyways. Next, because you not make no blood clot sense. Me say Bella crackhead, that me say. Bella 9 digit. That me say. Me say Bella 9 digit don't make no sense. That me say.
War it out.
So now we are worried out.
We not worry nothing. Me say Bella social can't do nothing and me don't talk. That me say. Go ask Bella why me say that. Call her up, go and go ask her why me say that. Ask her when you know me say that. Bella social cannot do anything and me don't talk.
I have a question for Come.
Oi.
If somebody fuck with you and want to get rid of them, will you get rid of them?
RT, I'm going to get one lick in your back.
When I buy the candle and get rid of them and the parchment paper, you know the thing go
You know the obia here there.
I'm going to get one lick in your back, RT. God do.
Miss Blinger, we buy the parchment paper and the candle.
You're with me now. Nobody can trouble me because of RT and my obia man. So nobody can trouble me.
That's why I want to be a part of art.
Yeah. One royal family, Mr. Love. Me can't go nowhere else, my love, because it's work for me.
I tell the people that take a set and me kid and not enough. You know how to get
Them say, the one famous celebrity say me sell me soul, my love. Me can't go nowhere, but me did glad me choose RT over LA Lewis the blood clip because one man sent LA Lewis see money from God was a child. If LA Lewis must work up a film and I know the other can't work. So